What if I told you that cooking is more than just food? It is power. Power to impress, power to save money, power to stay healthy, and never be at the mercy of noodles again. Yes, 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 it's day 5 of our challenge, and today we are talking about cooking. At the Refined Academy, we encourage every child and every teenager to learn how to cook. Once you're a preteen, you should learn and know how to cook. In fact, once you come in for the month, one of the tasks you are told to do as a child is cooking. Now, not everyone expects teenagers and children to serve up a decent meal like rice, pasta, yam, and eggs. So, doing that, when a child can do that, it becomes an instant wow. So, today, cook a meal. Cook a meal, and not just cooking, make sure you cook and clean. Now, I'm going to give you few reasons why you should learn how to cook. Cook. When I mean cook, I don't mean cook noodles, cook food. Because some of you tell me I can make noodles, I can make noodles. No. Now, when you learn how to cook, it makes you independent. Cooking empowers you to take care of yourself. It gives you a sense of control over your lives and it builds responsibility. You see, cooking is a life skill. Cooking is a fundamental life skill. Children who learn how to cook are more prepared for college, for work life, or for living alone. A child told me, Coach Fola, I'm going to get someone to cook for me, just like my parents have done. Now, that's a big dream, and it's good to have big dreams and goals. But even if you plan to have a chef someday, learning how to cook is still very, very important. Why? Sometimes life doesn't always go as planned. There may be times you need to cook for yourself, like in school, or maybe during travel, or before you can even afford that chef. Learning how to cook builds independence. Knowing how to prepare your own meals is a key life skill that gives you control over your own health. Remember, I say this all the time. Childhood is a rehearsal for adulthood. So as you prepare for adulthood, cooking is a skill that you should take along with you. Cooking is a skill that you should take along with you. Please do not forget that. So today, you're going to learn how to make your own meal and cook your own meal. Now, you can learn how to cook even your best food. Yes, you like yam and egg sauce. Learn how to cook it. You like jollof rice. Learn how to cook it. Stop depending on other people to survive. You can be independent, and it starts from now. I have seen children, I have seen teenagers who do not know how to make a bar. As simple as a bar. Simple as a bar. It is not a flex. It is not a flex. So please, real power is being able to cook your own meal and not just survive on cereals and noodles. All right, so today, learn to make your own meal. Make a video as simple as yam and egg sauce. You're a 9-year-old, you can do it. You can do it. All right, I'm Coach Fola. I love you all and I want to see you thrive. Today is day 5. Send me that video. See you tomorrow. Bye for now.